Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to make your device work faster. So the first step I wanted to share with you is changing the power mode. To do that, right-click the battery icon on your status bar, then go to Power and Sleep Settings, and here expand the power mode feature, and then change the balanced or best power efficiency mode to best performance. This way you will increase your device's performance, and I only recommend using this feature with your device when it's plugged in, because if you set the same setting for your device when it works in battery, it will discharge much quicker. And then the next step I wanted to share with you is changing the startup settings. To do that, go to right click the taskbar, select Task Manager, then go to Startup Apps, click on this icon, and then sort the applications by status to see which ones are enabled. The ones that are enabled start up when your device boots up. So if you have any unnecessary applications right here, for example game launchers that you don't need, or messengers that you don't need to start up when your device boots up, just right click one of these applications and select Disable, and this way you will prevent this application from starting up when your PC boots up. Okay, and the next step is keeping your device up to date. So go to Start menu, go to Settings, then scroll down the list and select Windows Update. If you don't have any updates already, click Check for Updates and check if you have any. Do this at least once in a week, or simply switch this toggle to the right and the computer will do it for you. You can also go to Advanced Options, select Optional Updates, and find all the updates, especially driver ones. Hit the checkbox next to them and then select Download and Install. And this way you will keep your device up to date. Once your device's updates were downloaded, you may have to restart your computer to apply changes. If you have to do that, you will be notified about it, either right here in this place or with a notification in the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see, for me there are no updates to install, but also this device has updates that are specific for it, and it cannot be updated through the Windows Update. Instead, you'll have to download the application that is called Control Center. Sometimes it is pre-installed on your computer, so you can open the Start menu and search for Control Center. And if you don't find it here, then open the web browser, go to the search engine, then search for ACER drivers, and open the official acer.com/home/support website that says download ACER support drivers and manuals. Now let me open this page in the private window, because it doesn't want me to enter it in a normal mode. And in this field you'll have to enter either your device's serial number or SNID. In order to find them, you'll have to check the back cover of your device. So let me close the lid, then turn the device around to show you where exactly you can spot the serial number and the SNID. So the serial number is located right here, and right below it you can find the SNID of your device. Okay, now let's get back to the browser. And just as I said before, you'll have to enter either your device's serial number or SNID into this field. Once you do that, click Enter, and the website will find all the drivers that you can download on your computer. So if you like any, you can just click Download next to the driver that you need. Okay, let's pick some smaller one. For example, this one. Then open the file, then copy it, then go to Downloads folder, copy the folder inside the zip file, and open the downloads folder. Open this folder with the driver, then select setup chipset or setup any other driver. Click next, accept, install. Click yes. Sometimes the drivers are updated through the command prompt, but since it's an Intel driver, it's downloaded with the execution file. Okay, let's wait until it's downloaded. And as you can see, once the driver is downloaded, I will have to restart the computer to apply changes, but I'm gonna restart it later. Instead, I'm gonna show you the essential application for your computer, which I mentioned before, which is Control Center. To access it, go to Applications tab, expand it, then find ACER Control Center and download it. Open this file, then just like before, copy the folder inside it, paste it to downloads, open it, then click setup, then click yes. All at this point you can close the browser or search for the drivers that you need for your device. Read and accept the user agreement to continue. Then click finish once the installation process is complete, and then open your start menu, then go to all applications and find the Control Center. Sometimes it takes time for it to appear here, but once you see it, open it, and then in this application you can update your computer by clicking update. And if you have any updates to install, click check now. If you have any updates to install, this application will find it, and by clicking update all, it will automatically download and install all the required updates. Besides, you can also perform the hardware checkup by opening the Checkup tab and clicking Checkup next to the hardware element that you want to check. After that, you will see the status of your hardware, and in case it's not good, you'll be given some tips on how to change it. You can also tune up your device by expanding the Tune Up tab and then selecting Optimize. This will also tune up your startup files. You can also delete junk files if you select this tab and click Clean. Click OK. You can also select which folders you want to clean. The disk cleaner, the disk defragment. Well, if you need it. If you have an SSD in your computer, this will not work. And as you can see in Checkup tab, the memory status is good, so I don't need to change anything. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.